Construction is underway at DEQ's Reedy Creek Lab campus in Raleigh. The renovation and expansion project, which will add new public meeting spaces, offices for the Division of Environmental Assistance and Customer Service, and the Raleigh Regional Office, is expected to be completed in 2028. The project will also add newly renovated labs for the Division of Water Resources and Air Quality. This past winter marked the end of the completion of Phase 1A of this project. This phase included the renovation of 2 chemistry labs for the DEQ Division of Water Resources. These renovations are expected to help DWR's chemists to better serve the public by more efficiently processing water samples for pollutants.
Today we're moving 2 analytical units, our volatile organics and our extractions unit, as part of phase 1 of 4 phases of the Reedy Creek renovation project. The organic chemistry branch, we analyze samples, aqueous and soil samples for PFAS, pesticides and PCBs, semi-volatile organics, and volatile organic compounds. For our staff, with the move, they will have more linear lab bench space, more lab space overall. They will have flexible workspaces as well with the move.
These upgraded spaces will help DWR process samples faster, detect pollutants at lower levels, and deliver results sooner, strengthening North Carolina's environmental testing programs for the future and protecting our most valuable natural resources.